What's up, you guys? Thanks for tuning in. Should be a good video today. Pretty chill, pretty laid back. Just brought the kayak out and did some fishing on a new spot on the river, which was pretty fun. I like fishing the rivers. At the end of the video, I do fish the lake that connects to the river. I was able to catch a couple decent fish today, so it was fun. Getting used to bass fishing still. It's definitely growing on me. It was a good time, so hopefully you guys enjoy the video. If you do, hit the like button, share with your friends, hit subscribe, and that's it. We'll get to the video. Thanks.
There we go. Going? Yep. I don't know. I don't think it's very big. Oh, Dees. Oh! There he goes. Oh, feels pretty good. Might just be a good fighter, but oh, it's actually pretty good, I think. Oh yeah. Oh, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a tank. Oh, let's go. Oh my gosh, you guys, holy crap, that's a personal best largie. Look at that thing. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go get a measurement on this guy. Holy crap, you guys, look at this thing. Check that fish out. It's a good fish right there. Look at that. It's a good fish. Gonna let her go. There she goes. So that's what that fish came on. Little curly tail. With the red head. Pretty small presentation just on the bottom. Nice. These guys are pretty cool. They're one of my favorites to catch. Just aggressive little guys. Nice little guy. Oh, feels good. Smoked it. Not bad, but seems like we further choked it. Yeah, getting bigger. Another guy on the curly tail. Skinny, but good time. Oh, there we go. I have no idea. I think it's a bass. It feels too strong to be a bluegill. Oh, dude. I don't know. I haven't seen him yet. Yeah, I think it's a bass. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Thanks for tuning in, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. More videos coming soon. Summer is upon us. I have my last finals in school here this next week, and then I'll have a couple months of a break. So hopefully I can get some good fishing in, put some good content out for you guys. Stick with it, and go catch some fish. Peace.